Okay, hi everyone. In today's Now I Know session, I'll be sharing with you Adobe's latest strides on the AI front when it comes to its products for creatives. The first one is known as Generative Fill. So over here, all you need to do is to simply highlight an area of where you like to add an element, like so, and then type in exactly what you like to add. The original image is actually a wooden floor in a library, and then the example given is pond as a keyword, and then generated a pond on the floor of the library. So now no longer is a wooden floor, but now there's a pond along with grassy elements to it. The AI will make sure that everything is cohesive and appears as harmonious as possible. So the beauty of this is that Photoshop is smart enough to create new layers from these AI-powered additions so that your base image is not ruined should you ever want to go to a version you feel that is better previously, or if you want to get rid of all these new additions and just go back to the original image. So it's non-destructive lah. We know that Adobe is a subscription-based model, so if you want to have all these features, you gotta have at least that base level of subscription, which is like, I think photography account is like $14 a month, Singapore dollars. So there's that cost element to it. So this is just a tip of the iceberg lah for what generative fill AI generative models essentially what they can do for your work in the creative line lah.